Friends, here our concept is scheduling jobs with at and Crontab. See, at and Crontab both are commands to schedule a job based on your required time. But there is a small difference between at and Crontab. Just assume that I have a small shell script to take a backup for some log files. Now, my requirement is automatically I have to run that shell script at tomorrow morning 9 a.m. or automatically I have to run that shell script every day morning at 9 a.m. Then there is a small difference, right? Do you want to run your shell script only tomorrow or every day? So if you want to run only for tomorrow, then go with at. That means one time task. But for every day, go with Crontab. The thing is that just schedule your job with either at or Crontab. So here we are discussing about at, how to schedule our jobs using at command. So in next video we will see about Crontab. So I'm giving just some simple examples. Now let me give the syntax for your at command. So before going to give syntax, let me show you on your terminal. So I have some shell script in my root. So I'm switching into root. So here there is a shell script. Now first let me show you the backups. So I have some backups here. Latest one, some date is there. Now as of now, suppose what is the time? 1:56. I want to run at 1:57. Then let me schedule our job. Simply at, you have to write your time 1 colon, I mean your hours, then colon 57. Then it will enter into your at prompt. Then there you have to give the shell script which you want to automatically run at a given time. Suppose I am implementing a shell script by using bash shell. So that's why I'm taking simply bash. If your script is, if your script using any other shell, just mention that shell only. Then enter. Then press Ctrl D so that that job will be saved. And it is displaying. It is job number 7. So already I scheduled some jobs. That's why it is giving job number 7. And Friday, November, so and so date. So what is the time now? 1:57. Yeah, your backup has been done. Let me verify. See, latest backup 1:57. Previously some 17:29. Now you're having at 1:57. 29th date, here 28th date. So this is a simple way to schedule your jobs to execute only one time. Now that is one syntax. So what is the syntax? First syntax, you have to run at, then you have to provide at what time you want to execute, that time you have to mention. Then simply suppose I want to execute at 2 a.m. that is the time you have to mention. Enter. Then your shell script, whatever the shell script you want to mention, execute. Then Ctrl D. That is the syntax. One more way is also there. Echo bash our shell script, then pipeline at, then provide your time. Suppose I want to execute at AM. Now see that there are now 9 jobs. Now you can see your list of jobs which are queued, which are pending. So these are the jobs. Now you can also remove your scheduled job by using ATRM. Suppose I want to remove this job. Let me provide the job number here. 9. Now see the list of jobs. There is no 9. Just now we deleted that job. That's it. Okay. So here not only this simple way to provide your timing, you have different formats to provide your timings to run your jobs using at command. Then let me show you them, some of them. So tomorrow, at 10 a.m. Suppose today I want to run at 10 a.m. Then on coming Sunday at 10 a.m. Then at 10 a.m. Then you have to mention Sunday. So these are some of the examples to schedule your jobs by using at command to run your job only once. I attached this document to this video. You just download this and go through that. That's it. Thank you.